Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to get release candidate version of WordPress. So currently you see this is my local site and my WordPress is running on version 6.2.2. If you go to wordpress.org and click on get WordPress, it will again show you WordPress 6.2.2. So this is the final version which is available for normal people, but whenever the new version is coming, before finalize, they release the release candidate version. So this is not available to all people. This is available to those who want to test that version before finalizing the release, so that they can fix the bug before releasing the actual version. So anyone can do that, but uh, just to note, this is not for the production site. So don't do this on the production site. If you have any local site or your staging site, you should do that only on that sites only. So let's begin how to get release candidate on your WordPress site. So first of all, let's go to plugin. We will add a new plugin called WordPress Beta Tester. So currently WordPress 6.3 release candidate is available. Its production version is 6.2.2, which is currently there on my site, but we want to try release candidate. So before installing this plugin, let's go to dashboard updates. So it won't show that release candidate is available for the normal site. See, if we click on check again, it won't show us that the new version is available. So for that, we have to install this plugin called WordPress Beta Tester, and it's by WordPress install team. So I'm gonna install that. And again, reminder, this is not for your production site. So once you install, activate the plugin, and once you activate the plugin, go to settings, tools, beta testing, and in this beta tester setting, select bleeding edge and select this beta and RC only, which is beta and release candidate. So let's save the changes. So this is, so there will be a beta version as well, so you can, so yeah, according to your requirement, just select that. If you want to have release candidate only, then select this. I'll select beta and release candidate only. So then if we go on the updates tab, and now let's check again. Now as you can see here, we have update version to 6.3 RC1 is available. So now you can click on this button and have the release candidate installed on your website. So let's wait for the installation. It will take uh, 15 seconds or 30 seconds depending upon your internet speed. So it's updating my WordPress. So it's about to finish now. So it says WordPress 6.3 is installed now. Let's go to the dashboard and let's check. So here we can see that our WordPress is now running on WordPress 6.3 release candidate. Now you can test up based on your requirement, and then if you find any bug you can click on report a bug and go through some checks. I never reported bug before, so yeah, currently I'm not sure, but yeah, you can do that as well. So yeah, this is the video guys. This is how you can get release candidate, and if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video guys.